Wow. All right, guys, that was the worst climb. Oh, dusty. That was the worst climb I've ever done. Ever. Zero pedal ability for me, man. That was the steepest fucking road ever. Pardon my French. We made it to the top. Calves are just on fire, so I'm hoping it was worth it. If you know the area, don't say nothing. And then if you don't know the area, enjoy this movie here, or video. And then the trees are getting a little squeaky. It's windy as hell. It's cold. I'm ready to roll down. The climb up pissed me off, so hopefully this wakes me up. Let's get it. Whoa. Starting out a little hot. There we go. A little hot. That's kind of big. So's that. No idea what's coming up. A little root dropper. Yeah, never done this trail before, obviously. Oh, woo, whoa, that's super jank. Switchback, like steep ass switchback. Shouldn't have stopped. Brake feels okay. It's kind of got a little air in it. How am I gonna get on this bitch? I guess I'll just toe dab it here. And then work it that way. That's nice. Whatever that was. Headwind's nasty. Eyes watering again. All right. What is what here? Oh, it's the same line? Okay. It's kind of weird. Obviously, I'm on this line, so this is the line. Little wraparounder. Not too shabby. No, that's soggy. Wet as balls. Ooh. Little hucker here. Hucker. Whoa, nice.
Whoa, nice.
Nice little root farm here. That's cool. I don't know what this is. Looks kind of shitty. A chute. Okay. That's a nasty little hip. Right into a tree? I think that was doable if this lip was not eroded here. Like that part, oh, I'm sliding. That part right there where it's eroded, I don't know if you're getting enough boost to go off of that. I think I'm just gonna smack it. I mean, I'd clear the log, but, well, I didn't know that was coming. That was cool. I plan to ride this again, but I'm gonna e-bike it next time. I highly recommend everybody buy an e-bike for this trail. Oh, that's a jump. Oh man. Little step down, I missed it. I missed that thing though. Whoa. Nice. That was a terrible turn. What's coming up? Not sure, but I'm liking it. Whoa. Woo. Oh man. There was a jump here. I got hand cramp at the worst possible time. Pin it to the ground. I still had enough to get it. All right, we got some chuties. First time trail action. Little blooper B-roll. I'm gonna head back up to this thing. So get a little bit more speed at this chute and then hit it far left. Oh, my finger. Steep. Steep as nuts. B-roll. Whoa, dude, I had to put my foot out on that. My back tire could not get any grip. That was stupid. I got slippy off the takeoff. Lost it. Hopefully that wasn't it. That was fun. Minus that chute mess up. Not my crowning achievement. Whoa, what a line, stupid line.
Whoa, what a line, stupid line.
That was terrible. Ooh, what's this? Oh, hand cramp hell. I don't know what I'm on here, but I'm on it. Sick. That was cool. Walking that line. A little jumper. Ooh, what's that? I don't know. I'm running it over. I don't know where it goes. Get a line. That was nice. Could have sent that way tougher. Should have sent that way tougher. Woo! You gotta panic, power brake them. They definitely wear your hands out. For sure. For sure. Whew. One of the worst ups for one of the better downs. That is a trade-off of the bike. If that was ever a biking trade-off video, like pros and cons, that was it. One of the funner downs I've done in years. One of the worst, actually not one of the worst up I've ever done. So you got like